In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report and lock GCash lost SIM phone. If your phone or SIM tied to your GCash account goes missing, acting quickly is the best way to protect your money and personal information. I'll walk you through the official process inside the GCash Help Center, explain what each section is for, and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the GCash Help Center. This is the official support hub where GCash handles security concerns, including lost devices and SIMs. You can access it through the app or by visiting their Help Center site in your browser. Make sure you're on the real GCash Help Center to keep your information safe. Once you're in the Help Center, go to the section labeled Your Account. This is where GCash groups tools and guidance related to securing, managing, and recovering your account. From there, choose Log in Tips and Issues. This category focuses on access and security problems, which is exactly what you need when your phone or SIM is lost. Next, select Lost or Stolen. This option is designed to help you lock your GCash account quickly so no one else can use it on a lost device. You'll see clear instructions on what happens when an account is locked and how you can proceed afterward. Read each prompt carefully and follow the on-screen guidance. The Help Center may ask for basic details to verify the situation. Keep your answers accurate and concise, and remember that you should never share sensitive codes like one-time passwords or your MPIN with anyone. From this page, you can also chat with Gigi, the official GCash chatbot. Look for the chat option, then describe your concern clearly. For example, that your SIM or phone is lost and you need your account locked. Gigi will guide you step by step and may generate a support ticket if needed. Follow the instructions provided in the chat and keep any reference number given to you for your records. After you complete these steps, your account will be secured as soon as the lock is placed. You can expect further guidance from GCash on the next steps for recovery using official channels. In the meantime, stay alert for any suspicious messages pretending to be support, and never share one-time passwords or full account credentials with anyone. By using the Help Center, selecting the correct categories, and working with Gigi if needed, you'll lock your account fast and keep your funds protected.